guys, Felicia here. Today is a really exciting day. Well, actually, it's nighttime now, but my mom and I, we are heading out to San Antonio, Texas to go see my boyfriend who's graduating from basic training for the Air Force. I'm like so excited to see him if you can't tell. It's been like 2 months since I've seen him, and we've only had one phone conversation for like 15 minutes, less than that. And so I'm so happy to go see him. The train has started to move. So exciting. Are you excited, Mom?
I am excited.
Ooh, we haven't gone on a train trip for a couple of years, so this is nice.
Done one, just the two of us.
Yeah. Today's been an awesome day because I found out that I passed my boards in nursing, so I'm really excited about that too, guys. Yay!
Our end of the family, yay!
Woohoo! So exciting! Len David's graduating from basic training. Yay!
This is so exciting.
It's gonna be so good to see him.
Lord above.
Amen.
Amen.
Let's see how long it takes us to get outside.
A few moments later.
We're almost outside. Here we go, we're outside now. Goodbye, Chicago, and here we come, Texas. Oh, there's another train.
There it is.
So it's our first meal on the train. We are starting with the salad, and then I'm gonna get some chicken. Mom and her salad, she got milk and iced tea. I got cranberry juice and water. Yum! Hi guys. Now it's nighttime. This is what the bed looks like, and then the underbed looks like this. It's kind of dark, but yeah. Have a good night. See you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. I just got done with the shower on the train. It's day 2 of the train. I'll give you a little showing of what the shower looks like. It's kind of like a camper shower. It's cute. But you definitely have to hold on to something because you're always moving around. So Mom and I are wearing the same shirts today. God answers prayers. Amen. We're in Texas right now. We're still moving. We still have a few hours to go to get to San Antonio. But we're in Texas, so yay. We're getting up to the line of cars, waiting for the train. Hello, cars. Look how long it is. It's crazy. Cool. We're in San Antonio now. Yep, time to get off the train soon. They just had to park it and, you know, all that good stuff. We're at the end of the line. Woohoo. Yep, we're so tired. We're ready to go to the hotel and do some sleeping.